In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AirPod on Samsung Galaxy A16. Make sure your AirPod is ready to pair. As you can see, the red light is blinking. It means my AirPod is ready to pair. Now go in settings, go in connections, go in Bluetooth. As you can see, it is searching for nearby devices. Here you can see my Bluetooth device is showing. I will simply tap on it. Now tap on pair. Now Bluetooth is connected to the AirPods successfully. As you can see, no light is blinking. Now if you go in settings, here you get the calls and audio option. If you don't want to attend the call on the AirPod, then you can simply disable this option by tapping on this toggle. And here is the audio device type. You can select speaker, others or headphone. So this is how you can connect AirPod on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.